Hello, this is my video. I am actually going to be replacing or placing a lost uh, accessory drive shield, which is it's called by the Dodge dealership. Um, the This shield basically covers up the pulley underneath the car. Here's the tire, and whenever we're driving in the rain, then water will splash from the tire right up into the pulley system, and that causes the belt to slip, and the check engine, I mean not the check engine light, the battery light will go on, and the power steering has actually stopped working, all because of the slippage. So it turns out this cover has fallen off. I bought this car used. I don't recall whether or not there was an original one on there, but I'm going to replace this or put this cover on. It cost me about $68 at the dealership. I did look online for the cost of maybe a discount parts dealer, and it turns out that they will charge you a lot less, but the shipping and handling is so high that it was just about the same money to just go to a dealer who had it in stock the same day and just buy it there. So the part, in case anyone is interested, is that right there. It's the the 04857221AB, and it's an accessory drive shield is what it's called. And not all the dealers have it in stock, but you can ask for it. Some of them do. I got these at AutoZone, and that's the number. And I just tried one on for size, and it fits pretty well. And these are the holes. The holes, I'll be putting those in, one there, one there. This one is going to be a little tricky. There's a hole here that's actually covered up with a label, but I believe that one is for stability, to keep the actual side of the shield from touching the actual pulleys. And then there's another one here. So I'm going to try and install this now, and we'll see how it goes. Now the story behind this is that I didn't really know that this shield was missing, and it turns out that this shield actually falls off. I don't know if it's because of the actual push fasteners that they use, but I know that recently, about 2 weeks ago, my family member came to me and said, came to the house all nervous, and she said there's some clunking under my car, and she actually has the same make and model vehicle, and it turns out her shield cover was actually hanging by like one fastener. I think it was that fastener that's up here by this one, and the other ones were completely gone, and it was literally just hanging there flopping around. So I'm guessing that this same thing happens, except that she actually caught it, whereas other people just drive on and it just falls off and they never know that it's gone. I'm installing this one first because it's going to be nearly impossible to stick my hand in there once this thing is secure. So I'm putting this one on first, and that should hold that in place. My arm way up there. This feels a little bit loose. Went in a little bit too easy. I'm not sure about that one. There's a hole here. Fit in there pretty well. Okay, that's pretty secure. Comes in handy. Okay, that one's in. I'm giving it a tug. It's locked pretty well. I like these fasteners. They're pretty. They just feel like they're turning. You know, like they're not like totally tight, but when you tug on them, they're like really resistant to coming out. So I guess I think that'll be okay. So basically that's it.